So this is the scanner. So right down here is a mirror. This mirror reflects. This is what actually provides the image. It's clean. You're supposed to use a Q-tip, but I also had to improvise. That's not from the scanner. That's from this crap. This is junk. It's old. It's basically come off. So the scanner is pretty much toast. There ain't no sense. I'm just gonna swap out per. Also, this control arm, which I took the piece off, but it's a shutter door, a metal shutter door that goes across here. It's weak. It won't really open the shutter all the way anyhow. So this unit is actually failing. This unit is, in my opinion, garbage. It's just weak. It has a day. It has run. I'm gonna give it one more gusto and see if it works, but I highly doubt it. And because I got the shutter door off, which means that basically dust and stuff can get into it. Just means that
just do this.
If it does work, then this unit will just have to be cleaned every once in a while. But I highly doubt it's going to work. But who knows? I've seen better.
If toner's coming out,
anyway, I'll let you know.
Bye. Toner. Tap on it again. Boom. As you can see, toner just poured out of this one. This one's bad. So why? Because it will get all on the inside. It will make all the pages look nasty. It will gunk up the fuser, which means that the fuser could fail, which means we could get an error 50. Error 50 is basically universal. Error 49 is pretty much either two units. Errors are referring to fuser. And sometimes it's just a piece of paper, but I've actually seen toner harden up and it can't move. So I'll share with you. No big deal. Bye.